Warm greeting to all. This session we are going to discuss plan and establish product specification. So what are specifications? Customer needs are generally expressed in the language of customer. The development team usually establish a set of specification which spell out in precise measurable detail what the product has to do. The product specification do not tell the team how to address the customer needs, but they do represent an unambiguous agreement on what the team will attempt to achieve in order to satisfy the customer needs. A specification singular consists of metric and a value. So here what are the specification established? So where we'll get the specification? Once we'll get the customer needs, so we have to establish the target specification. The rough specification we get after getting the customer needs. Once the concept generation, the product concept generation, then select best product concept, then test the product concept, then finally set the final specification of the product, then that goes to development plan. So we give two specification, that is target specification after getting customer need, and the final specification after test the product concept. The product specification process. Number one, set target specification based on the customer need and benchmarks. Develop metrics for each need. Set ideal and acceptable values. So that is a target specification after getting the customer requirements. Then refine specification based on selected concept and feasibility testing, technical and economic modeling, and trade-off or critical. After testing of product concept, so final set of specifications. Then reflect on result and the process, critical for ongoing improvement. Then process for setting the final specification. So develop technical models to access technical feasibility. The input is design variable and the output is measurement using metrics. So the output should be in the metrics. We can get the values of each product dimensions. Next, develop a cost model of the product. Refine the specification, making trade-off where necessary to form a competitive map. The next, flow down the final overall specs to specs for each subsystem, component and part. Reflect on the result to see whether the product is winner. After get the final specification, so you have to check whether the product is a winner. How much uncertainty there in the technical and cost model, whether there is a need to develop a better technical model or not, so that you have to decide after final specification. The remaining topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.